If you want to fix an overheating issues on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so let's start with opening up our settings. Now find your display. And in your display, first of all, turn off all the extra brightness and enable your adaptive brightness. This will adapt your phone to the surroundings and it will save you a lot of your battery and it won't heat up that fast, right? Also, reduce screen timeout. So choose your screen timeout right here and set it to the lowest point, like on 15 seconds or something like this, because the less your phone is working, less your battery gets heated. Great, now let's navigate to other section, to our battery. So in our battery, we have to find our power saving mode, so enable it. You can choose what it will do, so turn on dark modes and timeout for 30 seconds, decrease brightness by 10 seconds, turn off always on display and limit CPU speed up to 70%. So let's turn it on. You can rearrange this mode a bit with those switches. So once again, it's up to your taste and needing. In your battery, let's find our charging settings. Here they are, and here enable, once again, don't forget to enable your power saving mode. There it is. In our charging settings, you can disable fast charging because it gets our battery to get overheated, and fast wireless charging once again, but I don't recommend you the wireless charging if your phone is getting heated up too fast, because they do that a lot. They heat up your battery. All right, now let's go back. Let's find our device care option. There it is. So in our device care, we're gonna find our performance profile and change it to light. This prioritizes battery life and cooling efficiency over processing speed, which is a very good thing in our case. Also, don't forget that you may have a lot of recent apps open, so don't forget to close them all, otherwise they will put a huge load on your phone. So open recent apps menu, press close all, and they will be closed. If you have a weak 5G signal, you can switch to 4G, so your phone won't search for that signal and won't waste so much of your battery. Open up your connections, open up your mobile networks tab, choose your preferred mode and tap on your 4G preferred. And this it's much more stable. Now let's go back to our to our device features tab, and here we gotta press our auto optimization. So you can set up your auto restart when it's needed. You can restart on schedule, so set it up if you need it as well. Also tap on your diagnostics. Now press phone diagnostics and press test all. So press continue testing, start, and wait until your phone will confirm all the diagnoses, right? Follow the on-screen instructions as well. Great. So let's press the volume up button. Let's press the volume down button. Press the side button. Vibration, you can skip this test or keep on with that. So call in speaker. All right. Yes. Play. All right. So once again, confirm this diagnostic stuff. I recommend you doing this, and also recommend you restarting your devices. As I just showed you, you can set up your auto restart, or you can do that physically, manually, by holding your power button. It's right here on the right side, and a volume down button, and press and restart. Do that every 3 to 4 days to keep your phone fresh, because sometimes your phone really needs it. Alright, at the next step we can open up our settings, scroll down to our device care once again, then find your app protection and press turned on. Confirm your choice by pressing turned on. You can perform a scan if you want to. Let's do this. This will help our phone to detect the malware if you have any, right? And if you have any, sometimes they really put a huge load on your processor. Ensure that your phone case, if you have one, of course, doesn't create a heat trap. Use high quality case that allows proper airflow, and also avoid using your phone in direct sunlight or hot environments, as heat exposure increases strain on the device. Now let's wait until the scan will complete. No threats detected, great sign, and basically that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, I hope this helped, and please consider subscribing to our channel.